welcome you all for this new course on biosecurity, especially for design for biosecurity. So, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Mainak and I am a faculty with Department of Design in Institute of Technology, Kanpur. So, this course falls under the broad domain of biodesign. When we talk about design for biosecurity, what do we actually mean? So, in terms of biosecurity, what we essentially mean is the rich diversity of organisms, plants, insects, microbes which are existing in our biosphere. And obviously, since there are political separation of different countries, each country has different kind of biodiversity, and such biodiversity needs to be protected. Say for example, I give you a simple example. Suppose in this region where I am staying, say Kanpur, there is a particular kind of fish which is a natural habitat of this place, but for some business purpose, for some other reason, a fish from a different place is introduced here, and supposedly that fish can outsmart the population of the fish existing in this region. What will happen? The biodiversity of this place will be challenged, and that is not something you really want, because this will alter the whole ecological balance of the system. So, when we talk about, this is just one example, when we talk about biosecurity, the spectrum is pretty broad. It is starting from securing the biodiversity to biowarfare all the way up to bioterrorism. And after COVID, you must have realized how these things impact the global economics and the political scenario. So, in this course, 12 weeks of a span, first 2 weeks we will be discussing multiple case studies where biosecurity has been challenged. Thereafter, we will move to a specific area of biosecurity where we develop different kind of test beds or sensors, and the basic principle of such sensors which could be used, which could be designed for biosecurity and for identification of different kind of chemical pathogen or organismic pathogen and different other microbial systems and all so on and so forth. Thereafter, we will talk about again other situations where these kind of sensors have been used, and finally, we will conclude the course with how to design a lab which will be equipped with all the modern facilities of biosecurity research and where it is taking us. In terms of the importance of this course, since we are staying in an era where there is lot of movement in terms of human movement, in terms of animal movement, in terms of several other export, import, this and that, it is extremely essential to have quarantine, extremely essential to understand the local and the global laws related to transfer of biological materials, and most importantly, we should have technologies continuously evolving to detect the threat of different kind of pathogens, different kind of microbes which are alien to our environment, and how one can approach to develop such sensors and what are the basics, so on and so forth. And my expectation at the end of the course is that all the students who will be enrolling here will be well equipped to face the challenge of the future, and they will take this course to the next level through their practical experience and through their different kind of research in both academia and industry. So, welcome you all again for this course. Let's have a wonderful journey of learning with each other. Thank you.